Welcome to a world where digital advancements are reshaping the landscape of work as we know it. In this riveting journey, we dive into the realm of cybersecurity in the future workplace, a critical pillar in safeguarding our data, privacy, and operations in an increasingly interconnected world. Let's embark on a quest through time, tracing the evolution of cyber threats in parallel with technological progress. The digital transformation era represents a pivotal shift in the way organizations and society at large operate, driven by the integration of digital technologies into all aspects of business. This transformation encompasses a wide array of changes, covering areas such as technology adoption, business processes, customer experience, and organizational culture. Studies by cybersecurity ventures indicate that cybercrime will cost the world $6 trillion annually by 2021. As our workplaces become more digitized, the stakes are higher than ever before. Join us as we uncover the lurking dangers in the digital shadows. From sophisticated phishing scams to stealthy ransomware attacks, presenting serious risks to individuals and organizations. The Ponemon Institute's reports forecast the average cost of a data breach in 2023 to exceed $8.6 million, highlighting the gravity of these impending threats. As technology evolves, cyber threats continue to adapt and grow in complexity, necessitating proactive and adaptable cybersecurity measures. The rise of AI and machine learning in defense marks a pivotal shift in safeguarding digital realms. These advanced technologies enable autonomous systems to detect, analyze, and respond to cyber threats at unprecedented speeds and scale. By harnessing AI and machine learning, defense mechanisms become more adaptive and resilient, staying ahead of evolving cyber threats. By 2025, IDC predicts that 50% of security alerts will be automated, enhancing response times and fortifying our cyber defenses. Witness how these intelligent technologies are reshaping the future battlefield of cybersecurity. Human-centric security solutions focus on the role of people as the first line of defense in cybersecurity, emphasizing the importance of training and awareness programs tailored to human behavior and vulnerabilities. These solutions prioritize understanding and addressing human errors and behaviors that could lead to security incidents, aiming to create a culture of security within organizations. By incorporating human factors into security strategies, such as user education, behavioral analytics, and user-friendly security tools, organizations can better protect against cyber threats. Human-centric security solutions also emphasize the need for empathy, communication, and collaboration between security professionals and end users to build a stronger defense against cyber attacks. According to ISACA, by 2024, the world will face a shortage of 3.5 million cybersecurity professionals. Empowering Tomorrow's Guardians emphasizes preparing cybersecurity professionals as the frontline defenders of our digital world. It involves equipping individuals with the necessary skills and knowledge to protect against cyber threats effectively. As we draw the curtains on this immersive exploration, remember that safeguarding tomorrow begins today. Let's unite in our commitment to fortify our workplace environments and secure our digital legacies. Are you prepared to strengthen your digital stronghold? Click the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share your insights in the comments. Stay vigilant, well-informed, and let's unite to build a safer, more resilient future. Thank you for taking part in this cybersecurity journey.